The weekly model. To excel in trading, focus solely on one thing: execution. Each trading model may look similar because they follow the same principles, differing only in timing and the time frames for execution. But remember, patience is key. Wait for a clear CISD signal. If it doesn't appear, simply don't trade. Think of it like a professional basketball player. Do you think they worry about playing hockey or football? Absolutely not. They focus on mastering their craft. Trading is even more challenging because of the complexities in the charts. But once you start narrowing your focus on your chosen model, everything will start to click and your growth will be exponential. Stay disciplined and you'll steadily move towards achieving your goals. Greetings, Cobra Clay. Here you see the Euro USD chart on the weekly time frame, okay? So as also in monthly, you can see you come above a nice key area or a previous high. In this case, we are bullish, okay? And then you turtle soup a high, okay? Because before you rejected a low and then broke a high. And now for those who are a little bit intermediate, you can see you turtle super low into a fair value gap, come above an high, but you don't close above the high, which means you just now rejected a high. And then you also turtle soup previous week's candle. Okay, down on the bottom right, you see a nice picture of it. You have the previous week candle as your range, also digging or coming above and falsely inducing above an old weekly high. For the weekly, you can simply hop down to the 2-hour time frame where you then mark out previous week high, okay? You most likely wait for Monday to do its thing. In this case, Monday formed the low of the week. Thursday was just a continuation. Wednesday formed the high of the week and then pushed lower, okay? You dig above and you go to the 2-hour time frame. The 2-hour time frame is the weekly profile, okay? Profile means you go down to a lower time frame and you see what is going on clearer with much more overview. You then go to the 2-hour time frame, you wait for a CISD. In this case, you see also 9 a.m. turtle souping Asia high again. Or you simply wait for the 2-hour CISD where you see, I don't know, London forming a swing low right before the entry, then breaking the high or falsely inducing above the high, and then candle closing below this low. After the candle close, you could have immediately entered on the weekly entry in the 2-hour time frame, or you can also break it down simply as a 9 a.m. model. That's it for the weekly model. It's a nice swing model, as mentioned earlier in the monthly model. For those who don't want to take as much trades or have less time, if you've chosen the weekly model, study also what Monday does and Tuesday and Wednesday, because most of the times Monday to Wednesday will form the low or the high of the week, and Thursday or Friday will cap off the week with either a nice consolidation or just a small pullback or reversal. That's simply it for the weekly model.